everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Clarissa and I am so excited to finally be doing this. As you notice, I am wearing a different makeup as the one that I'm going to be showing you in this video, and that's because I completely forgot to film an intro the last time I was filming the video. But if you want to know another tutorial, or if you want to have another tutorial on this look, then I already filmed it, but I will be editing it and I will be uploading it. I don't know when, because I never expected how long it would take to edit a video, but I'll make it work. So I will be letting you guys know when I upload it. But anyways, I hope you guys really like the tutorial. Let me know what you want to see next and just leave me some video suggestions down below, because I would really like to just know what you guys want to watch. But thank you so much for being here, and I hope you subscribe, and I hope you just join my little corner, you know, the internet, like, come here. But anyways, okay, too much rambling. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Okay, so for this first part, I'm just using a color corrector that has kind of a peachy undertone under my eyes. That is just to help color correct my dark circles, because I have very dark under eyes. And you'll see me here in a little bit put it also on the corners of my lips, because I have darkness there too, so that's going to help get rid of that color there. In this next section, I'm just doing my foundation. I went ahead and sped it up just because it takes too long, but it is the LA Girl Pro Coverage, I think it's called. So I went ahead and used that all over my face, and I like how dewy it looks. You can see how glowy it is on my skin there on camera. The lighting helps that. And here I'm just using the, what's this called? Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I don't remember what color I'm in. Should have grabbed this stuff. That's okay next time. And I also like to use this other Wet n Wild concealer that's a little bit darker on like the highlight points of my face, just because I feel like it's not going to really make me look super white like the Tarte Shape Tape does. But I go ahead and grab my Real Technique sponge again and just blend that out, and I use the Real Scene brush the whole time, so yeah. Then I like to grab a mix of powders that I made. It's kind of like the, whatchamacallit, it's the Nye Powder in Banana, but I also mixed in a Wet n Wild powder that I have to make it a little bit lighter, just because the Nye powder right now makes me look yellow under my eyes and kind of like jaundicey, so no thank you. But I go ahead and pack it really on the corner of my nose, just because that's the place where I tend to get oily. And I just grabbed a fluffy brush in this area, and I just bronze my face. And I was trying out these brushes because I found them at Walmart for like cheaper than normal, so I was like, sure, I'll give them a try. And I like them, but I found that they shed a little bit when I washed them once I got home. But I liked the overall application. It went really smoothly. And what bronzer was I using? I think I was using the Butter Bronzer in Bronze from Physicians Formula. I think so too. Oh yeah, girl, fix your hair. That's not looking better, but it's okay. Okay, and this next part, I just grabbed my little setting brush from Real Techniques and the middle color for the Kat Von D contour, and I went ahead and did that. I like to use this small brush just because I feel like I can really contour the area I want to get, and I don't end up looking like weird and too extra contoured. And I do it over my bronzer so that it's easier to blend out later. And this was just a really basic nose contour, but I did it. Okay, here I'm doing this because I have two Real Techniques setting brushes, and one's for contouring and the other one's to do the highlighting thingy I'm doing right now. So I'm just removing the bake with the two light colors there, and the reason why I do this is because I feel like it just helps brighten that area a little bit more by adding that color on top of the bake. So that's just something I like to do, but you definitely can just wipe off the bake and not have to worry about doing this. I'm just a little bit extra, and that's fine. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild brow pencil in medium brown. It's called the Retractable Brow Pencil, Ultimate Brown. Yeah, I don't know, but it's really good. It reminds me a lot of the ABH one because of its shape and how it goes on the brows. It's really good, so I've been liking it a lot. And in this next part, I am using the Colourpop palette, Dream Street, and I should have the colors here, but it's okay. I'll have them down in the description box for you. But I went ahead and grabbed that peachy color and put it all over my crease. And the reason why I'm using such a small brush for this is because I feel like I am really targeting just my crease, just like how I wanted. I don't want it super blown out, even though I blow it out anyways, but it's fine. For now, we'll work with this. So after I have built it up to the intensity that I want, I go ahead and grab this kind of brownish color, and I grab it on a fluffier brush, and then I put it mostly on the outer corners, but I still bring it into the crease once some of the color has been dispersed, mostly on the outer corner. And then I drag it in and just keep blending, doing those circular motions. And yeah. Oh, this is when I discovered the power of zoom. Yes, girl. Struggling a little bit, but look at them. Okay, once I did the other eye already, I go ahead and grab this darker brown color, and I think I grabbed that, let me see. Yeah, I grabbed that little crease brush that I used earlier again, just to target that outer corner. And I go ahead and build up the intensity of the brown on the outer corner just so that it looks nice and dark. And can I just say that now I know why YouTubers do one eye first and then the other one, because this was hard. Anyways. I grab that deep blue shade, and then I just start building up the color on the whole lid. I really like this shade. I didn't think I was going to like it at first, but I ended up loving it. And then I discovered how pretty the shiny blue shade was. I really liked it. And I just went ahead and put it on the inner part of my eye, and it looked really pretty in contrast with the blue underneath, or like together, you know what I'm saying? Then I think I forgot to put this in, but I darkened up the outer corners a little bit more, and then I went ahead and did the bottom. I grabbed that same orangey shade, the second one that I used, and then the brown as well, and just blended it on the bottom. Then always make sure to sharpen your pencils, but I was too lazy to sharpen mine, so I can just, if my dad is watching this, I bet he's cringing. He doesn't like that, but it's okay. So I did my top waterline, and then I'm doing my bottom waterline as well. Please sharpen your pencils, because it's dangerous. And oh yeah, so I grabbed the black color. I had to go to another palette. This is the chocolate bar, the semi-sweet I think it's called. And I grabbed the black and just intensified that outer corner. And I wasn't planning on making it super smoky, but I actually ended up loving how it looked. And then I dragged the black under my eyes as well, just to make it cohesive. I grabbed that Milani blush. I'll leave the color down below, I'm sorry, I don't know the colors. But I grabbed it and I tapped off the excess, and I just blushed my face. Okay, and now I'm using my Becca highlighter in Pearl Flashes Gold, and I really like this one. I also went ahead and added some highlight to the inner corners of my eyes, and when I saw how pretty it looked, I was like, I'll just drag it into the inner corner too. So it catches it kind of, but it doesn't really catch how intensely cool it looked on camera. I'll have to fix the lighting for next time, because you can barely see my highlight. But then I sprayed my face. This is actually a spray that I made because I ran out of my last one, so I was like, instead of having to buy one because I was in a pinch, I made my own. And then I also used like a combination of like 3 mascaras here, so if you want to know which 3 mascaras I used, then go ahead and go to the description bar. But these are all, I think they're all Essence mascaras, except for one, the last one, which is like, what is it, Maybelline? It's like the pink and the green. I don't know, you'll see. But I really like how fluffy and kind of fake it makes my eyelashes look. So I would suggest you try it. Then after scourging through all of my lipsticks, I found the one that I wanted to use, and this is Colourpop, and I believe it's the one that they did in collab with Kiruchi. So this is the color Chi, and I just wanted something really cool tone because I was feeling it with the eyes, and it looked really good. Like I said, I have to fix the lighting for next video. But oh, that is the finished look! I can't believe I did this! My first tutorial! What's up? But I hope you guys really like it. It's very smoky. It's kind of like nighttime-ish. And I don't know, honestly I would lock this in the middle of the day. There's a little close-up for y'all. You see how fluffy the eyelashes look? They look cool. But anyways, I hope you guys really liked it. And leave me a comment down below of stuff that you want me to do next time. And I'm so excited to start this. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!